Hey there. So I want to talk about how to make your ClickUp user-friendly. I always think about the next person who use my ClickUp and making sure that they will be able to navigate or find things easily in my ClickUp. I think that's a universal approach in building a ClickUp so that anybody who see your ClickUp and work in your ClickUp will be able to understand how things are structured and how they supposed to place things within your ClickUp. It's gonna take times to do it, but it's pretty simple. The way to do it is just create a documentation of each of the hierarchy in ClickUp. When people go to the everything view, they will see a documentation, and that's where I put the ClickUp onboarding. So imagine if you are a new person in my company and you start day one today, and I don't have time to educate you about my ClickUp, and then I just say, okay, just go to the everything view, and then you will see the documentation and follow the step-by-step laid out in that document. Let's have a look what's in that document. So this document is actually from ClickUp itself, and I just put it there because it's useful. And I just add a screenshot of the step-by-step to setting the profile avatar. So I expect the person will setting up the profile avatar first, and the next step will be to set up a ClickUp notification. We want to make sure that the notification is not overwhelming. So I create a step-by-step to set up the ClickUp notification just to make sure they will be able to check the notification without being overwhelmed by so many notifications from different devices. The next step will be how to structure your day-to-day with home in ClickUp, and there is a screenshot and a step-by-step. Even if you are a new person in my company, you will be able to know what you need to do in relation to ClickUp. Okay, so that's the everything view, and that's pretty much a self-onboarding document to help your team to do their own onboarding. Then you go to the next hierarchy, which is the folder. Make sure that every folder has an explanation. What is it about? What's in it? What needs to be done within that folder, so that people don't place things randomly without following the rules that you created. In order for people to follow the rules, you need to explain what is the rules, how to use your setup so that it's not going to be a mess in the long run. If you just allow people to do things based on their own logic, their logic might be contradict your own logic. The next hierarchy will be the list, and what I do in every list, I also make sure that I write a short documentation about the list and how it's supposed to be used. For this sales process list, I wrote a short description so that people understand what they can do in this list, and also what I don't want them to do in this list. So that's the way I simplify and make sure ClickUp is a user-friendly for anybody who's using my ClickUp. I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.